Let us talk about the single tune circuit. A single tune circuit contains an adjustable capacitor in secondary side only, which can be tuned to be resonance. The diagram which is shown in this slide represents the example of single tune circuit. We can see in this a capacitor present only in the secondary side, whereas the common for both the circuit side is mutual inductance. To solve the problem which is of single tune circuit, we have to follow the steps which consist of: first, we have to represent the circuit in matrix representation. Then the second one is we have to find I2. Then the third one is we have to find V0, which can be found by multiplying I2 into 1 divided by j omega c. Then the fourth one is to find the amplification factor, which is represented by ratio of output to input voltage. Then the final one is we have to find A max, which is represented by the differentiation of V0 with respect to M. In the above diagram, we saw R3 represents the source resistance, which is greater than R1 and L1. So we can neglect the effect of R1 and L1. L1 and L2 are self-inductance of coil 1 and 2 respectively. Here M is defined as the mutual inductance. Here we can see the step 1, which represented the matrix form. Here the first diagonal element, which means 1 1 represents by the primary circuit, and 2 2 represents the secondary circuit, and 1 2 and 2 1, which are common for both the circuits. We have to multiply it with the current I1 and I2, and then we can equal it to voltages. Then the step 2 is we have to find I2. We can find I2 by dividing determinant of 2 divided by determinant, which means del 2 by del. By solving it, we can obtain this answer. Then the step then we can say the step 3. In step 3, we have to find V0. To find V0, we have to multiply I2 into 1 divided by j omega c. By multiplying this, we can obtain with this answer mvi divided by c into rs r2 plus j omega l2 minus j divided by omega c plus omega square m square. In step 4, we have to find the amplification factor. Amplification factor. We already know that amplification factor is defined as the ratio of output voltage to input voltage. In this, V0 divided by Vi equal to M divided by C into Rs R2 plus J omega L2 minus J by omega C plus omega square M square. At resonance, XL is equal to XC. Hence, A equal to M divided by C into Rs R2 plus omega square M square. Then finally, the last step 5 is to find maximum amplification factor, which is A max. We can find this A max by differentiating V0 with respect to M and equate it to 0. By solving this, we obtain with the answer Rs R2 is equal to omega square M square. At resonance condition, we can obtain with M square equal to Rs R2 divided by omega square. By taking root on both sides, M is equal to root of Rs R2 divided by omega square Finally, we get root of RS R2 divided by omega. Hence, we got that mutual inductance value. So, we have to substitute that value of mutual inductance in A max. And so, we get the final answer. Finally, we get the answer as A max is equal to 1 divided by 2 into C omega root of RS R2. Also, we can finally resulted with a graph by using the values of A max, mutual inductance, and other things. We can finally draw this graph. Thank you for watching this.